The National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cheyenne County in northwestern Kansas, northwestern Rawlins County in northwestern Kansas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Bird City, or 14 miles south of Bankerman, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McDonald. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas: Cheyenne and Rawlins.